Yes, in fact, that one we have already instructed all the district administration. Because see, in fact, we do have also this deputy commissioner who's looking in the respective district, and we have already instructed to all the concerned, be it the offices, be it the district administration, to make sure that the law of the state should be implemented in totality. For example, like the labor law. The labor law was there where each and every migrant laborers coming from outside the state, bringing in by our own people, be it by the contractors, be it by the landlords, or be it by anybody, or be it by the department. So they need to strictly follow the law. And the law is what? Very simple. They can apply online, they will get the labor license, and once they get that papers, means they can work freely here in the state of Meghalaya. So I would request all the concerned stakeholders to make sure that the paperwork has to be in order before you bringing in the laborers from outside the state.